Right into this world, all alone.
Stand upright and be strong, forever young.
What's going on here? Why do we see all of them? At least nobody's alone, huh? Okay, some people want to be alone.
Hope he's wired. There's no way in hell we're gonna be able to separate him from everybody. Everything we're doing. We gotta protect our guys. It's gotta happen today. Okay. See me and my guys living good lives. You hate the fact that we get the same rights and freedoms as you do.
You make me so proud to be an American.
You're a fascist pig, and what Otto did to you is just the tip of the iceberg.
We pick up the money from one, we drop off the guns at the other. This way, even if the feds are watching us, they never see guns for money. You and Tig pick up the money, me and Jax drop off the guns.
No.
I'll go with open.
Switch.
No.
Good idea.
Fewer the better.
Not trying to avoid this. What we have. Just gotta, take a minute to know what to do.
You can have a minute.
Yeah, it's over. Pack your bags.
I know what you're doing.
Hanging a banner?
Using me to hurt her and Jax.
You are burning a hole through the very thing you can't wait to become. The sooner you accept that, the sooner you put down this holy crutch. Jesus is just a guy who cuts my lawn.
If you need anything, I just want you to ask Agent Yost, who will be staying with you, okay?
Okay, when does the trial begin?
We don't know exactly, but soon.
Is it going to take a long time?
I doubt it will begin. They will probably kill you once they find out about you.
Sam Crow's gotta change to survive.
Clay will never walk away from running guns.
I know. He's made that very clear. Bobby and Tig, pushing them in a new direction. Jesus Christ.
Well, Opie could take care of Tig. There's a big opportunity coming.
Jax is having a party for Able at the homecoming thing. I gotta swing by and drop off a gift.
I want to go. Abel coming home is a big deal. Our family should be there.
Yeah, we should.
I'll tell Mary to bring the kids home before dinner.
Okay.
I don't like how happy she is. Happiness is usually followed by tragedy.
Time and locations are the deal. I want you and your crew to step on both ends. I put a bullet in Alvarez. You drop as many butt-backs as you can.
Why in the good Lord's name would I be doing your dirty work?
Keep the guns. Or keep the money.
I would ask for the money too.
So how do we handle our other problem?
Just before the Niners jump in, put a bullet in the back of Opie's head. This way, even if ATF crashes the party, there's no illegal guns. Opie looks like the victim of gangland violence.
And we blame the angry black man.
It's the American way.
Bug's been ripped out, and Opie's cell's dead. Clay found it. Thinks Opie's working for us. That's what this morning was. He's feeling guilty about what he might have to do. How do we handle this? Put an extra team on him. We have to keep Opie on one piece. I'm on it.
Hail. Become active. Please.
Are you with Jax?
I don't know how to answer that.
Do you love him?
I'm not comfortable having this conversation with you.
We've spoken over half a dozen times in the past couple of days. You don't think you might have mentioned that you're sleeping with my husband?
No.
Ex-husband.
2 more months before that's official, okay? He's my husband.
Bullshit. I couldn't find a creepier place, huh?
What?
I hate dolls, man.
Enforced for Waddle.
Custom scopes. We know.
What a fake smile. Here we go. That was quick. Bad place, huh, dude?
You dead. Shit, thanks.
He just saved you, dude. Did that look like the work of a rat?
Niners want us dead, Mayans won't trust us. We'll lose our customer base, gain 2 huge beefs.
Broke with no guns.
One big fail. Congratulations, Clay.
I hope.
I couldn't get a clear shot.
You pussy.
If the Niners are that pissed, maybe they'd bring their rage to charming. I mean, they saw Opie's truck at the money drop.
A drive-by?
That'll be tonight, after the party.
Mm.
Make it ghetto, make it gangster.
All right.
That's the stupidest idea you could possibly have. Won't there be dozens of other people? Anyone could pretty much get hit doing that gig.
I got some information, and if I give it to you, then I'm betraying my badge. And if I don't, someone could get hurt.
That badge ain't even real silver.
In that case.
My boss is pulling the plug on Charming.
What about Opie?
Hope he made his own bed.
Yeah, and Clay thinks you're in that bed with him. Okay, this guy's in danger.
The witness's identity will be out tomorrow. Sam Crow will know that he is not the snitch.
Look, a lot of shit can happen overnight. You cannot pull your detail off him.
She doesn't give a shit about these guys. So now it's pretty much a betting game, huh? Who gets hit? Instead of Opie. One of the kids, one of the women. Wendy would actually be real convenient. But I doubt it ends that way. Not after all that build-up. In your face, Wendy. In your face.
We're gonna sell this on the road.
I'll be right back. I'll talk to you for a second. Wendy's like a heartbeat sober. We don't want to do anything to set her off.
Because she's still in love with you?
I'm just saying we should be cool with whatever this is around her, you know?
Whatever this is?
You know what I mean.
No, I don't.
Tara!
No!
What the fuck? Completely uncalled for. Or had she a flashback to her relationship with Cone in that moment?
What happened?
I got no idea.
Sorry.
Yeah, I can see that.
We gotta head out. Come on, guys. Bye.
There we go.
See ya. Bye, Kenny.
Don't leave just now, for Christ's sake. The night is young, still lots of booze to drink.
Hey, you coming right home?
Yeah? Why?
I want to come back and help Gemma clean up.
Why don't you just stay? I can take the kids home, put them in bed.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh. That's the end of you, Donna.
Thanks, baby.
Welcome.
You got some cash? Gemma needs powder for the dishwasher.
Few switched cars, that was it. Yep. Goodbye, Donna. But you had become too happy for your own good. Rule number 1 of TV drama. Don't be happy. Now he's not even seeing it. He should have seen that though. He must see that there's a smaller person in that car. I mean, Opie's huge.
I got some information that probably shouldn't wait. The witness is somebody that lived in the building where Hefner got killed.
How do you know this?
Hale. He's been privy to all of it. I just thought you should know that, in case you were having doubts about loyalty and such.
Call take, yeah.
Uh,
Oh, he left his phone?
You alright, baby?
Man, he must be broken inside right now. Dude, why don't you see that that's a woman in there? Yeah, you should have done that first. You better hope Obi never finds out.
It's all right, let him in.
Oh, baby. Oh. Go, baby. Go.
What do we know? Guy walking his dog saw a black SUV roll up on the truck. Shot it through the back window.
Did they see the guy? Was he black?
They could say. Unless Donna's been living some kind of double life. I'm thinking this brutality was meant for Opie.
Thanks, Captain Obvious. Oh, I'm sorry, Chief Obvious. Oh, you shouldn't show your face right now.
I told you this shit would go bad. This blood's on you.
Back off, Hale.
Didn't even look as if he wanted to do anything to her. Piss off.
How's Opie doing?
Full of life.
May you stay forever young. May you stay forever young.
At least he's punishing himself, huh?